There's a ship out on the ocean at the mercy of the sea. It's been tossed about, lost and broken, wandering aimlessly. And God, somehow you know that she is me. There's a lighthouse in the harbor, shining faithfully, pouring its light out across the water, where the sinking soul can see that someone out there still believes in me. On a prayer, in a song, I hear your voice and it keeps me hanging on. Whoa, raining down against the wind, I'm reaching out till we reach the circle's edge, and you come back to me again. There's a moment that we all come to in our own time and our own space, where all that we've done we can undo if our hearts in the right place. On a prayer, in a song, I hear your voice and it keeps me hanging on. Whoa, raining down against the wind, I'm reaching out till we reach the circle's edge, and you come back to me again. And again I see my yesterdays in front of me, and falling like a mystery. You're changing all that is and used to be. On a prayer, in a song, I hear your voice and it keeps me hanging on. Whoa, raining down against the wind, I'm reaching out till we reach the circle's edge, and you come back to me again. And you come back to me again. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Karl Pablo, ado may ibabagat. Sino dahil tagwapo nga mapintas boses na, taga-bukod. Mandilikoy na lang to. Yakob Babang. Afo ng Principal Loreno Dilico.